Guess where we are.
Should be interesting.
We're about to die.
Hi, how much is a 20 piece for mine? Can I get 5 orders? Can I get 5 orders of the 20? Yes.
It's 540 with the cans.
That's fine.
100
Yes.
Do you think that's crazy?
100 each. He's getting 100.
Yeah, I'm getting another 100. It's a little crazy, right?
What kind of sauce you want?
What kind of sauces do you have?
We have barbecue, sweet and sour, honey mustard.
It's all
Yeah,
of them.
can I get
Yeah.
a couple of each?
Yeah, we're gonna die.
It's nothing. It's only 100. Only 100. 100 nuggets. 100.
Do you think this is smart?
20 minutes.
Eating 100 chicken nuggets in 20 minutes? You think it's smart?
27.60.
Alright, see you in a bit. Go fit setting.
No, that's. Now we're just waiting on Erica. We have 100 each.
She's gonna die.
Robert's here. Alright guys, so the 100 chicken nugget challenge and 20 chicken nugget challenge for Robert. And I'm gonna start the timer. Ready? Get your box ready.
Now.
I mean,
God forbid Robert doesn't finish.
I don't think I'm gonna finish this, man. That really tastes weird.
It's soggy.
Yeah, because we're gonna eat them for a minute.
What do you want? What do you want?
It can't be that bad. I'm not full at all.
How's it going, Erica?
Good.
Good.
On the third box, we're gonna slow down. I know. You just chew a lot. That's all you gotta do, just chew. How the hell do you end up over there? This has to be so bad for you.
Duh.
You're not already.
Okay.
I'm full already. So however much we don't finish, just times that by 4. Yeah. And push-ups.
Directly after Google bombing.
That'll be something wrong.
All of your form.
Just in case the bathrooms, this is the first show you're right.
One by one.
Slap.
We'll see what happens.
Who's the one that's end up taking care of you afterwards? Me.
It's gonna suck.
It's like.
I'd much rather have eaten like
Chicken.
20 or 30 McChickens.
I do that.
When you get McDonald's, when I said to the McDonald's, she was like, "What are you doing here?" I was like, "No."
You should. You would have.
You know what the thing is?
They would have sponsored you guys.
Yeah, it's not even that. This actually tastes gross.
For now,
It really does.
It tastes really bad.
because we know we can't enjoy it.
Especially right now for me.
Good for you guys, Roberts.
We're chilling. One sweet and sour goes.
And it's like you don't even taste the chicken, like you just taste straight up grease. Like McDonald's grease.
It doesn't taste like food chicken anymore. It just tastes like
Yeah.
bread.
It tastes like
And, like,
Play-Doh with like breadcrumbs.
Ew. They were supposed to be leg day for me. I didn't do it.
Big day for us is tomorrow.
Oh my god, you gotta do
Shit,
it.
that's a lot.
I thought this was supposed to be an hour.
Mm-hmm.
It's 20 minutes to eat 100 chicken nuggets.
That's the challenge.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
If it was an hour, I could do it no doubt.
I would eat a box and take a break, and eat a box and take a break.
I'm second guessing right now.
It's your fault.
I'm gonna finish this box. The third box. It's a journey to no man's land.
Christ have mercy.
Here's the third.
I take a break.
Take a break. Boy.
I didn't mess up 2 boxes. You just finishing your first, and
Because I'm taking most of the
he's like starting his second. I guess. This was a fail. Because clearly, you can't eat 100 chicken nuggets in 20 minutes.
I prefer push-ups. I'm not gonna mind the push-ups.
I only got 50. I only got, what, 200 push-ups today.
I have
You got
I
a shit
did
ton.
30, so
You have 70 times 4. That's 100 and... No, wait, no, that's 300.
280.
That's 280 push-ups.
I could do that easy.
Holy crap. We'll do that another day. We'll do the push-ups.
Oh, look at my phone, it's spinning. Don't you talk.
Holy shit.
I just can't wait for you to hit it and then it goes into that brick wall right there.
That's
Crack.
right.
This is not for me. I can't. It takes.
Alright.
Alright guys, we failed. So, I have 50 left. Isaac has 70.
No. 69.
And I have 69 to eat, which is,
I did.
he's done. So he has to do a lot of push-ups.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home.
This was disgusting.
Don't try this anywhere. What do you mean?
Try it at his house. 69 times. We gonna do 2 or 4?
You said 4.
Alright, fine, 4.
Out of what?
276.
I have 276 push-ups to do.
I have 200. Alright, so, like, comment, subscribe.
Thanks for watching, guys. Like I said, don't try this at home. Don't try it anywhere. It's disgusting.
See you next time.
Take it easy.